Hey everyone, this is Ryan from Got Oil Supplies coming to you live on Facebook and Instagram. And I just want to thank everyone who's hopping on because we really appreciate it when you guys watch our videos. And I hope you like our new little setup here. We've been working hard to come up with the best essential oil content for you. And this month is no different. We are releasing our essential oil travel guide this month in our subscription boxes. And so I'm here because it is July 1st and I am going to show you what all of our amazing subscribers are going to get in their July subscription box. And so first and foremost, happy July. It is July 1st and we are in the middle of summer. We are in the middle of travel season, and that is why we are releasing our essential oil travel guide. But I want to do something a little special for you guys. In our essential oil travel guide, all of our oiler boxes and builder box subscribers, they're going to get these awesome keychain oil bags in their subscription boxes. But I want to give some of these away for free because, again, we are highlighting our Essential Oil Travel Guide collection. And so if you want to win one of these keychain bags with some sample bottles, all you need to do is comment on Facebook which essential oil you have to travel with. That's all you need to do. Comment on the Facebook Live video which essential oil you love to travel with that you cannot leave your home without. Just comment the name of the essential oil, and if you want, just tell us why you love it. And next week, we're going to pick 4 winners to win a free essential oil keychain bag with some sample bottles because it's travel season and I just want to give something away to you guys, all of our fans. And so again, just comment on this video which essential oil you love to travel with. And so that's it. So let's get into this because you guys want to know what is in our July subscription box, and that is why I'm here. So let's begin with our oiler box. Our oiler box for this month, it's a huge value. And so if you're not one of our current subscribers, I highly recommend that you subscribe during the month of July because you are not going to want to miss this subscription box. So I'm gonna lead off here with our recipe sheet. This is our essential oil travel guide recipe sheet. So Karen, our certified aromatherapist, has come up with 12 roller bottle blends that are a must-have while you travel. And let's be honest, you could use these roller bottle blends whenever, but when you travel, they are a must. And so, two-sided recipe sheet with 12 recipes that is designed to fit inside of our content management system binders. And so you guys are gonna love this. So if you are one of our Oiler Box subscribers, of course, you're gonna get this brand new Essential Oil Travel Guide recipe sheet and the labels. I'm going to hold these up so you can see how awesome these new labels look. And as always, all of our label sheets include the lid stickers. There's 12 roller bottle labels. They are oil proof, and again, they fit in your content management system binders. And so you're going to get these, which are amazing. You're going to need these. And then, of course, we're going to give you the bottles. I'm going to grab a couple here off the shelf. You're going to get a dozen of our 10 ml clear rollers. This one right here is our Stomach Soothe, which if you travel, depending on how you travel, sometimes car, airplane, even on cruise ships, this Stomach Soothe will come in handy, guaranteed. Let's go through these blends because you're going to want to know what you get. Blemish Buster. I don't know about you guys. Does your skin ever react differently when you travel? Mine does. And so this Blemish Buster is perfect to take with you. I'm going to pull all these down. Let's go through these because we have some amazing blends this month. Energy Booster. I don't know about you, but when we travel, we love to hike. We do tons of walking, and sometimes you get run down. This Energy Booster essential oil blend is a must. Jet lag. Yes, we all have experienced jet lag while we travel. That is for sure. And again, while I'm showing you these amazing blends that are in our Essential Oil Travel Guide subscription boxes for the month of July, comment which essential oil you love to travel with. And next week, I'm going to give away 4 of these keychain bags with the sample bottles. And so comment below on our Facebook Live video. We got 8 more blends to show you. Itch Relief, which is always a good one to have on hand. Muscle Fatigue, this one is great, again, if you do a lot of hiking or if you're doing sightseeing, anything during your travels, muscle fatigue is a must. Calm Down. Sometimes traveling is stressful. You're trying to catch the subway, trying to get through TSA security. Sometimes the kids are just being loud and you need to calm down. So there is a roller bottle blend for that. Motion sickness, trains, cars, cruise ships, airplanes. Motion sickness is very real and essential oils can definitely help. We got 4 more up here. Let me grab these ones. Strength and immunity. Sometimes when we travel, we're definitely around a lot of people, depending on where you go. And so this immunity booster is amazing. Slumber. I mean, comment below if you have a hard time sleeping on vacations. Sometimes the beds are uncomfortable or they're small, or maybe sleeping on an airplane is difficult. This Slumber essential oil blend is here to help. Last 2, headache soother. Yes, headache soother, must have. And then last but not least, germ fighter. Very good to roll on your hands, help you fight those germs while you travel. And so all 12 of these labels and recipes come inside the Oiler box. Huge value this month. The Oiler box is only $19.95 a month. Your first month ships free. It is a must-have. And so you do get all 12 bottles, recipe sheet, label sheet, and of course, as I mentioned, you get the keychain bag, which is perfect for these 2 ml roller bottles that you're going to get. So what you can do is make up your favorite blends and then use the funnel that you get and pour some into these little sample roller bottles, and then you can keep this keychain essential oil bag with you wherever you travel. That way you always have your favorite blends. And then, so I did mention the funnel, pipette, which is always super useful when making essential oil blends. And then we have 2 tools. You can see this one right here has a bigger half circle, and this one's a smaller half circle. So this big one, this tool you're going to use to remove the inserts in the large 10 ml roller bottle, and the small one you use for the sample bottles, of course. So you get both tools, all this plus a surprise. Let me just verify I got all those. Yes. Oh, there's one more thing. I'm glad I looked. This is super cool. This is a brand new product. I probably should have led with this because these are awesome. Every essential oil box, you're going to get a car vent diffuser. And so this clip right here goes into the vent of your car, truck, RV, wherever. And so there's tiny little holes here in the back. And so the air passes through, and inside there's a felt pad which you use just to put a few drops of your favorite essential oil, and then it diffuses your essential oil in your vehicle while you are driving. And so this is a must-have, and it is included in every Oiler and Builder box. And so yes, go subscribe right now if you are not one of our current subscribers. The Oiler box is only $19.95 a month, and anyone that uses essential oils will benefit from the Oiler box. You learn new and fantastic ways to use your essential oils each and every month. And so let's get into the Builder box, because a lot of you guys are building your essential oil businesses. And now that we can, like, a lot of people are giving away more samples, and they're having make and take classes, and and DIY classes and all sorts of stuff to share their essential oils with their friends, family, neighbors. And so the Builder Box is exactly what you need. Because in the Builder Box, you don't get just one recipe sheet and one label sheet. You get 12 of each. 12 label sheets, 12 recipe sheets. That way you can have your classes, your workshops, make your samples, give away your essential oils so other people know how awesome they are. So you get 12 of each of those. Of course, you still get the 12 10 ml roller bottles and the 2 ml roller bottles, but we're also going to throw in some 2 ml orifice reducer bottles. So you're going to get 24 sample bottles that you can use to give away. You can put in your keychain bag. And as I mentioned before, all of our label sheets have the lid stickers on them. So you can just use these lid stickers on all of your sample bottles. That way you can keep everything organized and labeled. And of course, our Builder Box subscribers are going to get the Vent Diffuser, the essential oil bag. You're going to get both the tools which you're going to need, the funnel and the pipette, and of course, the amazing surprise, which we just like to throw something free and extra in every single box every single month. And so it is awesome. Let me see. Did I get it all this time? Yes, I did. And those are our 2 July subscription boxes. So if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in our Facebook Live video. Send us a message through Messenger on Facebook, text us, send us an email. We are here for you guys. We make it super easy to contact us. And everyone is going to love our subscription service. We make it easy to, if you need to change your payment method, if you need to skip a month, you can also skip a month, cancel anytime. There is no contract. Your first month ships free. In the Builder Box, you get all this content, and it's only $39.95 a month. And every month, you get at least $60 worth of essential oil supplies. We're only $39.95. It is the best deal in essential oils, and so you guys are absolutely going to love being one of our Builder Box subscribers. And so make sure you subscribe. Get our essential oil travel guide collection this month only. And again, it's the end of the video. So next week, I'm going to give away 4 of these keychain bags with these sample bottles. And all you need to do is comment on this Facebook Live video which oil you love to travel with, which one you cannot live without. Comment below. Next week, we're going to pick a ton of winners and give these away for free because it is summer and we all just want to travel, have fun, relax, and use our essential oils. And so again, I'm Ryan from Got Oil Supplies, thanking everyone for watching our live videos. And until next time, have a happy July. Bye-bye.